Let's just go back to the sequence of events. A terror attack takes place. The authority is there. You get on where search operations are concerned, but within minutes, the local gang up together and start pelting stones where the security operations are concerned. Just about 3 months ago, the Home Ministry had rewritten the rules of engagement when it comes down to stone pelters. Do you reckon we need to revisit that? Because somewhere down the line, even these are terrorists there if they are aiding terrorists to get away.
Preeti ji, you're absolutely right. Not only do we need to revisit, it is time that this nation has consensus on this. You have discordant voices here proclaiming the rights of these stone peddlers. You have voices condemning plastic bullets being used by the security forces. So it's time. These people are assisting and aiding the terrorists, calling them innocent youth, calling them misguided youth, calling them, sympathizing with such crowds. Let this nation now decide enough is enough. The lynching of the DSP Ayub yesterday, day before, and now this where these stone peddlers are trying to assist these terrorists. I think we need to draw the line now.
Right.
I think this nation needs to say, forget politics. Forget BJP, forget PDP, forget Congress, forget everything. It is now a national issue, it's a national war. The integrity of this country is being challenged. The might of this country is being challenged. And let us as Indians fight it unitedly, together. Let us settle all political scores later. I have heard some comments by people, by political parties, which sadden me, that politics can wait. There is time for that. Please, if you want to have the government under scrutiny, please do it. But is this a time? The time is now to give a united response to what is happening. And what is happening cannot be acceptable.
All right.
So that my humble appeal to everybody, let us realize our responsibilities as an Indian.
All right. Ashok Pandit, do you want to come in on this? Because let's just see how it all played out. There is so heightened that this actually happened. And then going on to compare the with what's happening in the valley with the terrorists to actually an icon like Subhash Chandra Bose.
Preeti ji, you have really hit the nail on the head. The issue is such what do I say? Such obnoxious observations are to be dealt firmly. There can't be a debate on that. As you yourself, your channel has reported, Yasim Malik has been arrested. I understand that in the next 2-3 days, I see a very definitive crackdown on a lot of people who are identified with the separatist cause. But more importantly, I'm dismayed at the kind of support such stone peddlers receive from political establishment or intellectual establishment of this country. I think it is time. Forget politics now.
Okay.
As I said, Ashok ji is very pained, and I share his sentiment. I mean, I'm not here to say it is exact. No, he's rightly pained.
No, but then action needs to be taken.
As Indians, we are pained.
Right.
That you have. That is what I'm saying. You see, you must.
But Mr.
Mittal,
Mittal, you're part government. You're part government when it comes down to Jammu and Kashmir.
With a hope. Yeah. We are part of the government, and there is a responsibility. Nobody is shying away from the responsibility. And that is why I said the response must be of India, not of a political party or B political party. If you want us to face the questioning, we'll do it. But this is a time when unitedly and together we should fight this menace. The stone peddling cannot be acceptable.
Okay. All right, gentlemen, I want to get a quick comment. I want to get a quick comment before we... All right, I want to get a quick comment from Ashutosh. He's reporting on the ground of operations which are still continuing, combing operations in DPS school where terrorists are still believed to be hiding. Ashutosh, very quickly give us an update, then we need to close this bulletin.